Tains FTSE 100 breaks 10,000 barrier, signaling renewed confidence at start of 2026. London's benchmark FTSE 100 opened 2026 on a historic note, crossing the symbolic 10,000 point threshold for the first time and marking a powerful turnaround for the market that had spent years trailing in global peers. The milestone was reached in early trading on the first session of the new year, extending the momentum built through 2025, when the index surged nearly 22%, its strongest annual performance since 2009. That rally allowed the FTSE 100 to outperform both Europe's STOXX 600 and the US S&P 500, reversing a long-standing narrative of UK market underperformance. Market analysts say that the psychological significance of the 10,000 mark should not be underestimated. Years after the subdued sentiment toward British equities, the strong opening to 2026 is being interpreted as a confidence boost for investors at home and abroad. While the index later eased slightly below the level, it remained up around 0.4% on the day, underscoring sustained buying interest. The FTSE's resurgence comes against the backdrop of a powerful global equity rally in 2025, fueled largely by enthusiasm around artificial intelligence. Although London has limited exposure to play AI stock, the index benefited from strength in more traditional sectors. Mining stocks such as Freslino were lifted by record precious metal prices, while defense firms including Babcock and Rolls-Royce rallied as European government increased military spending. UK bank, notably Lloyds, also delivered solid gains, supported by higher interest rates and resilient economic growth. Despite the celebratory mood, investors remain conscious of structural challenges. London has struggled in recent years within a thin pipeline of initial public offering, while several companies have excited the market through takeovers, delistings, or shifts to overseas listing. Political uncertainty, bond market volatility, and lingering post-Brexit concerns have further weighed on sentiment. Still, market participants argue that the FTSE's hundreds board, sectoral mix, and comparatively attractive valuations could reignite international interest. With concerns growing over potential overheating in technology-heavy markets, UK equities are increasingly being viewed as a source of diversification rather than excitement alone. The milestone also carries political resonance. UK Finance Minister Rachel Reeves described the index's breakthrough as a vote of confidence in Britain's economy and an encouraging start to the year. Dealmakers, meanwhile, believe stronger share prices could help revive London's appeal as a listing destination, even if higher valuations reduce its attractiveness to bargain-hunting acquirers. Yet, perspective remains important. While the FTSE 100 enjoyed a standout year, it still lagged behind several global markets in 2025, including Japan, Hong Kong, South Korea, Spain, and Italy. Moreover, the domestically focused FTSE 250 rose only about 9% last year, highlighting the uneven nature of the UK's market recovery.